That's too much. Don't worry, none got in your eyes. I need to brush it. I think fixing this wonder, 'cause I'm blending tonight. Wait, I need a mirror for this. I think I blended too much on your nose. And your forehead. Cover every part that you can move. Yes.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Did you?
Yes. When I needed to pee, I washed my hands.
Now! You eat kanina, hindi ka nag-wash?
I eat kanina, I did not wash.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Hawakan mo yung face ko eh.
That's how to blend. Okay, are we done with blending? Because this thing is crooked.
I don't know.
Can we start, doing with the other things?
Sige na.
Okay, stay mad. What is this for? What is
Saan
this?
mo?
Eyeshadow. Okay, let's go with eyeshadow first.
You're not gonna use this na.
Yeah. Why did you do that? What do you want?
Dapat light muna to dark.
So this very white one?
It's your choice. If it can blend sa eyes ko. Oh, meron na yan.
La, 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 la. Is it normal to get eyeshadow at the, eyebrow? Is that normal for rookies? Ma? Hey. Because I did get some. I'm sorry if you don't like it. Or you don't like the feeling of my hands. Hey. Yeah, you can move, don't worry. Okay, it's kind of light. Okay.
No, you can
Look.
do anything.
You're fine. I'm going to go for the darker one. Blot. Blot. Balut. Just look down. Good job. Just look down. Garama. 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 Okay. Okay. The only thing I want to do is just pink. Can I do pink?
Yan na, naka-press na.
You might not like it, or you might. I don't know if you would like this, because you'd say no. Mama, open your eyes for a sec. Can you open your eyes? Okay, looks good on you. Wait lang. I have a question. Do you have those like black thingies so you can wipe your
Ano
eyes?
sa bag ko?
Okay, open your eye again. Open your eye again. You might not like it, you might not like it. You might not like it, you might like it. So that's the only thing that I hope that you like it.
Murder ako, tsaka nag-utang time.
Are you playing MM2?
I thought ako yung magagawa ng mukha ni Mama.
Ako.
Bukas ikaw naman ang tagalinis, ate.
Ayoko nga gusto.
Nalagay mo ng mask.
Ako na kaya to Jamie.
Yes pa.
Okay, open my eyes.
Oh, sirain mo ka ni Ate Jamie.
Ate, college yan. May school yan. Baka wala kasi inaano nila yung school kasi sa Baguio.
Yung bagyo, nagbagyo dahil yung bagyo ay nagbabagyo.
Nagbabagyo nga sa Baguio eh.
Eh,
Oo.
eh,
Nagchika ako kay la mama. Okay, ano? What next? I'm done with the eyeliner. What's this?
Hindi mo nilagay.
What's this?
Shining, shimmering.
감사합니다. 감사합니다.
kamsamnida.
Dan na. Ano pa?
I don't know.
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow?
Ito. Huwag na to. Mahirap tanggalin ngayong gabi. Ano na lang. Hilahin mo. No, hilahin mo siya.
Eyebrow ulit.
Dapat ikaw.
I was expecting for John. John, titigil in tiny one.
Sorry. Bro, I wanna get on your head. But you keep. Because it's what he said.
Wala pang announcement.
I got elf.
Lipstick na.
Mayroon eh.
Lipstick? Okay. Is this lipstick? There we go, lipstick. Mama, what are these for anyways?
Ito pang eyebrow. Ito pan lipstick, pero hindi mo na kailangan yan.
I hope it doesn't happen like last time. Don't open your mouth, I might get some on your teeth.
I like this one.
We have some overboard ones. Oh no. I made a mistake like here.
Move it.
How?
With your hand.
This?
With your hand.
Someone's kind of getting away. Okay, there we go. Yeah, actually it looks good.
Does it?
Yeah.
Can I see it na? May
Now what?
habanero.
Now what?
Done na. The blush on. Hindi mo ka na blush on.
Blush? You maybe want to do close your eyes.
Patong mo dito nang di ka nahirapan. I mean yung blush on.
Oh, you're so cute!
Too much.
Yep.
Hey! Bro, get off. Oh god.
What do I do about this? Can I watch it at the bathroom?
Done na po ba?
I'm done.
Sure?
Okay, pause the video.